Alright, so Frigidaire Microwave, the keypad getting trouble. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show you what is the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so the Frigidaire Microwave, the keypad getting trouble. We're going to plug it on. Right, it's coming on. And again, I'll stop. And it's not coming on. The seconds going on, but not heating, nothing happening, no light, nothing. Alright, so I'll unplug it. And if you can see, this micro switch is the problem. Right, so this micro switch, if you watch carefully, you can see, you can see the knob, it pressed down, and you don't want to go back up. So I'll remove this and show you. Now you want to be careful when you take out this switch because you don't want to mash up anything inside. Right, so this is switch, right? If you notice, you see the switch, it pressed down. So this is the bad one, and this is the good one. You hear that? The click. So I'll put on this one. Now when you put on this switch, right, you need to remember the same way to take out the wires, the same way to put back on, right? You're not mixing up the wire, not crossing the wires. Put back this. Right. Close the door. I will plug it on. Start. Alright, so it's working. Right, it's working. Stop. It's heating. Right, it's heating, but I noticed another problem with this. It have no bulb. Right, the bulb in this, it blows. When you open the microwave, sometimes light lighting, you see the microwave, it's on, the door open, and there's no light. Right, so you put it on for 12 seconds again. And when you put it on, the light's supposed to come on, right? You can see there's no light. So I will stop this, unplug it, and replace the bulb. Right, so the bulb is being on top here. You just lift this up, lift this side up, and pull out the bulb. And you can see the bulb, it blew. So I will change this bulb, right? Alright, so this is the replacement bulb. Right? So we'll take out this. Oh, look at that, it broke. Alright, so then our problem, it broke and I get cut. You see, these things will be so hard to come out sometime. Alright, so this is the breakup one, the spoiled one that break in my hand. Alright. Press that side. And put on the new one. And simple as that. Alright, so I'll plug it on and show you the difference with a good bulb and a low bulb, with a good bulb and a spoiled bulb. Alright, so and still something wrong. Alright, so it so happened that the bulb I put on, it's a spoiled bulb, right? So I will replace this bulb. If you watch, you can see there is no continuity. So this bulb bad. So I will change that bulb too. Alright, so I'll take out this one. Now I will check to see if this is working. I was supposed to check to see if this is working first before I install it. As you can see. Alright, so it's working. I will install it. Alright, and now we'll plug it on. Voila! The light is lighting. So the problem was these two bulbs was the problem. This one did blow, I didn't notice. And this one, the break in my hand, did blow too. Alright, so that was the problem really. So put it on for 12 seconds. As you can see, the light come on, so everything is working. Right now we're going to test for heat now. So I'll unplug this. I see the magnetron pot, right? So I'll test this for heat. Alright, so we try the ice again. Plug it on. I'll run it for 12 seconds. Alright, so we have some water. Alright, so I'll run for 30 seconds now and let the ice melt out more. So 30 seconds for the ice to melt out more. Alright, so this will work like 30 seconds. The seconds will be across here. So when I press 3, you get 3 minutes. When I press 5, you get 5 minutes. This don't have no seconds really. So I will run it for 1 minute. Right? I will run it for 1 minute and you see the ice, it melt out. In fact, I will run it for 1 minute. I run for 30 seconds. So I will wait a while till it reaches 30 seconds and I will take it out and show you it heating. Right, so it's hot. Right, so it's working. So there you have it. Now you know how to fix the Frigidaire microwave, right? Sometimes, in some cases, the circuit board not working. It could be a switch. Right, it could be one of these micro switch. It could be one of these micro switches problem that give the circuit board problems. That why it's not working. So it could be a micro switch that giving the circuit board problem because the micro switch not working. And sometimes when the microwave not heating, it could be the micro switch too, causing the microwave not heat. So everything else here working. The capacitor working, the magnetron working, transformer working. Everything except for the light. The light did blow and the switch did spoil. So now that I've changed the switch on the light, everything is working good. Alright, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.